Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yes, so right now you're looking at your LCD. You can see this Jamaican woman was arrested for shoplifting in New Jersey and caught with clothes that could fill a barrel, a big barrel, and leave more. But before I start this video, let me address something directly to all the criminal-minded individuals out there or on this channel who believe you can intimidate or extort me into silence. Think again. If you think unsubscribing or attempting to pressure me will stop me from educating the public about criminals, no matter who they are or who you may admire, you are mistaken. I am not here to hustle, scam or mislead anyone. My mission is simple: to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help me God. I am fully aware that many of you put on a facade disliking criminals. But let's be real, you are only opposed to the criminals you are told to dislike, while secretly making excuses for others. This reveals something critical. You too harbor a criminal mindset. If you weren't, you wouldn't be working so hard to justify or defend the indefensible. You wouldn't be attacking me or the grieving mother of a murdered man, all because the truth about the killer is being brought to light. Let's not forget, reporting a murderer's death is a matter of public interest, not a distraction. So if you see it as such, it is because you are trying to deflect from the real issue and obstruct justice. So here's the truth. I am not here for popularity, nor do I care about the numbers of views or subscribers. If you are here to defend criminals, or undermine the truth, or attacking those seeking justice, do me a favor, unsubscribe. I have said it already in the introduction, and I don't know why you people are still over here. I don't care about views. I am beholden to no one. Your departure will not deter me from exposing the harsh reality that some of you would rather keep hidden. This platform is for those who value integrity, justice, and accountability. If you are unwilling to confront uncomfortable truths, then leave. I stand firm by my purpose, and I thank those who remain for their unwavering support. Let's continue shedding the light on the darkness, no matter how much it disturbs those who thrive in the shadows. So moving on, so today we are talking about a sister, I want to address a troubling incident involving a Jamaican woman who was caught shoplifting in New Jersey. The entire episode was captured on CCTV, clearly showing her stuffing stolen item under her skirt. When the police detained her and requested she handed over the goods, at first she denied that she has nothing on her and she did not take anything. Typical Jamaican, as usual, lie, because that we were cultured, nurtured to be criminal-minded people. And these are the people that I am telling over here to leave the Jamaica Young Police channel because they cannot deter or change or blackmail me. You understand? Because I'm always going to speak the truth. So the video showed clearly her stuffing stolen items under her skirt. The sheer volume of what she had taken could have easily filled a shipping barrel bound for Jamaica with room to spare for more. I don't know how she get for TV so much things. Look here, the situation is not just embarrassing, it's a stark reminder of a deeper cultural issue. We know so some the criminal minded people them are I fight against our cartoon she black. So on stay, you know, because we see when make excuse for somebody will report the death of a man we wanted for murder. And instead of addressing the person who have done the same, yeah, and you know, and offer sympathies or condolences to the dead woman's for losing her son. You know, to the dead woman's son who was killed. Why on attack even the woman? Oh, violent, wicked, you know, pretend like on a set of criminal haters, on our criminal enablers. And more or less it's like a criminal organization. I don't care. Think I care about views? I'm not into this with views. As I said before, if you can change one mind, and then one mind change another two, and then it start multiply, that is what called that's it. In a Jamaica, we know that to be popular, you have to be a corrupt and a criminal-minded person. So we know the wolf them in a sheep clothing. Want to put on a facade. Want to hate Vibes Cartel and hate criminal liars. Want to hate criminals we have more money than you know. When a criminal on yourself. And we say that without any apologies. But man dead and the man alive. And then I come about, or unsubscribe. Like one of the things I want to happen. Come off. Who cares? So this situation is not just embarrassing. It's a stark reminder of a cultural issue. You know, we as Jamaican people, we're cultured, nurtured, socialized and domesticated to be criminal-minded people. Many Jamaicans are unaware of the pervasive surveillance system in places across the United States. From the moment you step into a store, a parking lot, or even public restroom, you are likely being recorded. These cameras don't blink, they don't tire, and they provide irrefutable videographic evidence. Unlike the human eye, which may overlook or misinterpret a situation, these devices captured every detail with precision. So watching the video left me feeling a mix of frustration and disappointment. The incident reflects poorly, not just on the individual, but on a wider perception of Jamaicans abroad. What's even more concerning is that this behavior is symptomatic of a larger issue, a cultural normalization of criminality. And then, look here, and then we have Jamaicans, you know, claim say them not like criminals, but only certain criminals. The one where they are told, or all of them just not like that certain kind of that criminal have more money than them. When the whole of them are criminal. If you're a criminal, you don't like criminal across the board. If you don't like gunman, you don't like gunman across the board. Me don't like criminal, me don't like gunmen, whether PMP or labor. Period. So you can't be selected. That means you're a criminal yourself. I don't care who want to unsubscribe. I don't care about that. Unfortunately, dishonesty and opportunism have been ingrained in certain aspects of our culture. While not all Jamaicans share this mindset, these are undeniable trends where some individuals see theft or fraud as just another way of life, whether out of necessity, greed, or simply a disregard for the law. So this as culture, you know, it's disheartening to see this pattern play out on a global stage, reinforcing negative stereotype and undermining the hard work of countless law-abiding Jamaicans, striving to uplift the community's reputation. While you have others now, make excuse for her. Oh, you know, such a black and boy, you know, say, oh, you know, say she's a mad lady. Yes. In America, that don't work, dummy. It don't work. The real tragedy is that the mindset perpetuates a cycle of criminal behavior, especially among our younger generations who observe and internalize such actions. As Jamaicans, we must confront those uncomfortable truths and work collectively to break free from this damaging cultural narrative. It starts with acknowledging the problem, educating ourselves and others, and fostering a culture of accountability and respect for law, whether at home or abroad. So let this serve as a wake-up call. In today's world, there are very few places where you can act without being observed. Every action has consequences. And it's time to take responsibility for our actions, reflect on ourselves, our families, and our nation. So I want you watch, you listen, and you decide, are you going to see this really? But honestly, I am so embarrassed to see, this sister, being arrested for thieving in America. It's just sad. So you watch, you listen, and you decide. We know, say, boy, I tell you, I just saw it go.
Were you shopping in any stores today?
Yeah, I just came to the mall.
Okay, so I'm just going to read your rights real quick. You have your right to...
What?
Just listen here. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law.
Hello? Why is he recording me? What's going on?
Relax. Let me finish
I'm
my
confused.
statement.
What's going on?
I'm going to answer your questions after I read my statement.
Hello? What is it? I'm in the mall. It's on the
Driver stopped by Crate and Barrel.
Crate and Barrel? I don't want to Crate and Barrel.
Right. Are you going to listen or are you going to talk?
Okay, listen.
Okay. So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford one could be appointed to you. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay. What store were you in today?
I just went into Pink, and I went into... I forgot where I went into before that.
Okay. Alright. Did you conceal any merchandise on you? Take any clothing? Because we're going to go to the store and look at the cameras. So.
Okay. Hello?
So did you take any clothing?
No, I did not.
Okay. Can you just do me a favor? Hang up the phone real quick while I'm speaking with you. Do you have an ID on you?
No, I don't. I have a picture of it on my phone. I recently lost because it got expired.
Okay. 3, can you go to the store and confirm, please?
What store are you talking about that's happening?
What store have you been in?
I told you I went into Paint, and I think I went into Arlo after. That was it.
Okay. Alright, let me see your ID real quick.
It's expired. It's expired on my birthday.
Do you have a valid one or is it the only one you have?
No, it recently just expired. That's a copy of the only one I have.
Okay.
But recently just expired.
Sorry, I got out of it. Where was it? Thank you.
I'm under arrest for what?
You're not under arrest, you're just being detained at this time.
Detained for what though, officer?
For potentially shoplifting.
For potentially? Not for actually potentially?
So you're matching the description of somebody that reported shoplifting at a store.
I just literally got to this mall.
So we're looking at camera footage right now.
Okay.
If you didn't shoplift, you'll be on your way. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. What's your current address?
Sharifa,
Take this off.
call mommy and tell her I'm getting locked up right now. Call mommy and tell her that I'm getting locked up. I gotta send you Dante's number too.
Okay.
I'm in New Jersey. Call Kimmy too.
I'll let you make a phone call when we get down.
Alright.
Call me. Radio? I tried entering for
Just welcome me to that exit sign. We're going to walk right over here.
At this point in their investigation, police directed the shoplifter to a private area and instructed her to hand over the stolen goods.
Right here.
You can just walk up. Yes.
And whenever you have it, you just draw on the ground.
Okay. My wife's just gonna, oh yeah, my name
Make sure it's all of it, because, like I said, you're gonna get searched back then. If you don't turn it over now, we're gonna charge you additionally.
Am I gonna make enough for my daughter birthday tomorrow?
Yes.
That's all I can.
Okay. Just confirm that's everything.
Like on the week.
I said confirm that's everything that's on you. Make sure that's everything that's on you. Definitely nothing else in there. Like that. It's a New York deal at the top.
I should make it for my daughter.
That's definitely it, right? Because I'm telling you, you're going to get searched. She's going to go under your dress. And... Can you just take the dress off? I mean, you have pants underneath, right? Okay.
So comfortable taking it off, but I have nothing.
I'm sorry?
I don't feel comfortable.
You don't want to take it off? Okay.
I feel comfortable.
Like I said, as long as, what's this strap here?
It's for the dress.
Okay. Alright, so like I said, you're going to get searched when we get down there. If there's more merchandise, then it could be an issue.
Can you just be honest with me?
What's up?
I'm not gonna make it for my daughter birthday.
Yes. Like I said, you were pretty transparent, right? You did admit to it.
Show you her date of birth and I was looking.
Listen, I'm gonna work with you, okay? You gave me everything back, right? So, are you gonna get arrested? Yes. You're gonna get processed. I will do my best to get you out of here today, okay? Okay? Alright, just come over here and... Alright, come over here and stand on the wall. Okay? Alright, just come over here and... Alright, come over here and stand on the wall. Put your hands behind your back. It's all gonna come with you. I'm gonna let you make a phone call when we get back to the police department, okay? Unlock your fingers.
Yeah, that's what it's not.
What's up?
My son is trying to here so long. The money I have in my bag is to buy his sneakers for school tomorrow.
Well, like I said, all your money, all your property is going to come with you. When you're released, you're going to get it back. We're not keeping your money, okay?
I can show you everything that I'm not lying about. My kids going to school tomorrow.
Okay.
And I can show you my daughter birth certificate. That tomorrow is really her birthday.
Okay, so that doesn't change anything, but like I said, we're going to do some paperwork.
I know. I just want to.
I'm hoping you'll be out of here in a couple hours.
I just want to know that I'm not lying to you.
Like I said, you gave me all the merchandise back, and I'm taking your word with that, okay? So, I'm going to work with you, and it's just going to be a shoplifting charge, okay? That's it. So, maybe a few hours of paperwork. You're not going to miss your birthday, okay? Don't stress about it. But you're going to... What's up? That's all. So what stores did you steal from?
This is Victoria's Secret.
Yeah, so when you went in Pink, you took stuff from there as well?
It was only Pink and Aloe.
Aloe? Just those two stores? Okay.
If your accent lives east and about.
Alright.
DJ said he's on his way here, so...
So you want to wait, or?
Well, we need more worry about merchandise.
There's Victoria's Secret too.
Alright. I'll probably get a statement.
Alright. If he needs volunteers, I have him in my clipboard there.
No, we got it. She's doing that right now.
Okay. Victoria's Secret's probably...
Yeah, they can write it down for secret.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, they're not. Alright. You wanna...
Ready?
You want me to take... You can put your dogs and try to run you over that.
Sorry? I'm gonna let you... I got your phone. I'm gonna let you make a call when we get back.
You got the other phone too?
Yeah, he's got it right over there with your purse. So it's all gonna come with you. I'll take it, brother. Thank you. Right? Floor.
Park your car there.
Let's see, BK.
Yeah, so it's a sad day. It's really a sad day. So before I end this video, I want to address something with absolute clarity. To those who harbor criminal intentions or think you can silence me through intimidation or unsubscribing, think again. My mission is not to cater to your sensibilities or play into the hands of those who want to distort the truth. I am not here to hustle, scam, or mislead anyone. I am here for one purpose: to educate the public about crime and criminals, regardless who may be offended or who you idolize. I will speak the truth and the only truth, so help me God. It's no secret that many of you claim to despise criminals. But let's be honest. You only hate the criminals, the ones you are told to. You selectively excuse others because deep down, you share the same mindset. If you weren't complicit, you wouldn't rush to defend murderers or attack those who expose them. You wouldn't be so desperate to discredit me or the mother of a murdered man just because we are shedding light on the truth. Reporting a murderer's death is not a distraction. It's a public service. Trying to silence or shift the focus is nothing more than an attempt to obstruct justice and protect those who should be held accountable. So let's be clear. I don't care about your views or your subscription. If hearing the truth offends you, if holding criminals accountable make you uncomfortable, then this platform is not for you. You can unsubscribe and leave right now. I am not beholden to numbers or popularity. My commitment is to the truth, justice, and I will not compromise that for anyone. To those who remain steadfast supporting this mission, I thank you. We are here to confront the uncomfortable realities that plague our communities, to hold those in power accountable, and to expose criminal underbelly that many prefer to ignore and glorify. This platform is a space of truth seekers and change makers, not for those who wish to perpetrate lies or shield criminals. If you can't handle that, the door is open. Leave. For everyone else, let's press on and shine in the light where darkness thrives, knowing that justice and truth will always prevail. Yeah, so boy, with the sister here. Yeah, so the case of, the sister here, the Jamaican woman, caught shoplifting in New Jersey, serve as a sobering reminder of the long-reaching consequences of criminal behavior, both for individuals and for the communities they represent. The image of her unloading a barrel worth of stolen goods from under her skirt was not just shocking, it was deeply embarrassing. This incident perpetuates damaging stereotypes about Jamaicans abroad and undermines the hard-earned reputation of countless law-abiding citizens who thrive for integrity. What's most disheartening is how such actions highlight a cultural normalization of dishonesty and criminality. For too long, certain segments of our society have treated theft, fraud, and other illegal activities as a way of life, whether out of desperation, greed, or sheer disregard for law. This mentality not only harms individuals but also erodes trust in the Jamaican community as a whole. So the lesson here is a twofold. First, we must recognize that in countries like the United States, where surveillance is omnipresent, there is virtually no room to commit crimes without being caught. Cameras are everywhere, and they serve as silent witnesses, capturing indisputable evidence that will hold you accountable. The notion that you can get away with it is not only naive but dangerous. Second, as Jamaicans, we must confront the deeper cultural issues at hand. As a community, we need to stop glorifying or excusing criminal behavior. It's time to take a collective responsibility to teach our children and peers that there is no honor in theft or deceit, and to instill a sense of pride in doing what is right. I will see how the Jamaican people them operate. Them not care about that. Is once them like you, yeah, anything goes. You can't tell lies, say people dead when them alive and all of them things there. And guess what? The person will say, the person is lying, and the people them come out and say, boy, it hurts. Them for suck it up, but yet still them see him wanna see him so them a fight crime. So let that make sense to you. That for sure is a Jamaican people and a whole. Don't believe them anytime them tell you things. Because most of them don't mean what them say. They must say it because them feel like it's popular. And it will make you understand. But we tell you already, in Jamaica, for you to be popular, you have to be a person who embrace criminality. I just saw it go. So we have seen now, not only that this cult is a criminal entity. That's why them can brag and boast. And see one man say, oh, him are with Dan. Him are with Dan. So ultimately, this incident should serve as a wake-up call. Whether at home or abroad, our actions reflect not only on ourselves but on our nation. Let us strive to build a culture rooted in integrity, accountability and respect for the law. Only then we can begin to repair the damage and move towards a future where Jamaicans are known for their honesty and hard work rather than association with criminality. Now whether or not you want to believe it, I can tell you, most people in America, yeah, because I don't lie to people, I tell them the truth. I tell them that Jamaica is a criminal paradise and we were cultured, nurtured, socialized and domesticated to be criminal-minded people. And that's what you see I've been right over YouTube for about a week now. Once people like you, you can commit crime and you can do things and get away with it. But if they don't like you, they want you to be exposed. Hypocrites. And these people are vile and wicked. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica, Young Police Channel out.